How to make him miss you like crazy after a breakup. Let me start with something that might sting a little. If you're trying to make him miss you by posting thirst traps, sending accidental texts, or reminding him what he lost every 5 minutes, you're not making him miss you. You're making yourself available. And availability after a breakup kills mystery, kills tension, and kills longing. Now lean in because this part matters. A man doesn't miss what he can still access. He misses what he feels slipping away. I've been there. I've cried in the shower. I've stalked socials. I've typed paragraphs and deleted them. I've wanted to win the breakup. But maturity taught me something powerful. The goal is not to make him miss you through manipulation. The goal is to become unforgettable through detachment. Let's talk about how. 1. Disappear with dignity. Not childish blocking, not dramatic announcements, not posting quotes about betrayal. Quiet, clean, composed distance. When you break routine, you break psychological comfort. If he's used to your good morning texts, your random check-ins, your emotional availability, remove it. Silence is not weakness. Silence is recalibration. When you stop reacting, he starts wondering, where is she? Why isn't she reaching out? Is she okay or is she over me? Curiosity fuels missing. Chasing kills it. 2. Upgrade in silence. Glow-ups aren't revenge. They're reclamation. After one of my hardest breakups, I didn't post about pain. I poured that energy into my body, my business, my therapy, my friendships. Men feel when a woman redirects emotional energy away from them. It shifts the dynamic completely. When he sees through mutual friends or subtle online presence that you're evolving, not collapsing, it unsettles him. Because here's the truth. Men don't just miss beauty. They miss access to a woman who's growing without them. Level up quietly. Let the results speak. Free. Stop explaining yourself. After a breakup, the temptation is to clarify everything, to make sure he understands your side, to defend your heart. Resist that urge. Over-explaining keeps you emotionally attached, and attachment energy is heavy. When you detach gracefully, you communicate something powerful without saying it. I know my worth. I don't need to convince you. And that confidence lingers in his mind long after the arguments fade. If this is resonating with you, if you're tired of breakup games and ready for grown woman energy, go ahead and like this video. Subscribe if you haven't already, because we talk about love from experience here, not fantasy. And in the comments, tell me, what's the hardest part of no contact for you? Let's keep going. Number 4, master the no contact rule. For real. Not no contact unless he texts, not no contact but I still watch every story. Real no contact. No checking, no lurking, no emotional breadcrumbs. When you truly remove yourself, 2 things happen. 1, you detox from the emotional dependency, and 2, he feels the emotional vacuum. Absence does not make the heart grow fonder when there was toxicity, but absence after love, after connection, that's different. It forces reflection, and reflection is where missing begins. Number 5, become unpredictable. Familiarity breeds comfort. Unpredictability breeds intrigue. If he thinks you'll always take him back, always answer, always care, there's no urgency. But when your behavior changes, when you're calm, polite, but unavailable, something shifts. You're no longer the safety net. You're the woman he might actually lose. That's when ego wakes up. That's when nostalgia hits. That's when he starts remembering the way you laughed, the way you supported him, the way he made him feel understood. Number 6, heal for real, not for performance. Here's the part most people skip. If you're secretly hoping every gym session, every glow-up post, every silent day will show him, you're still orbiting him. True power comes when you genuinely start moving on, when you laugh without thinking about whether he'd like it, when you dress up because you feel good, when you build a life that excites you, with or without him. And here's the twist no one talks about. The moment you genuinely stop needing him to miss you, that's usually when he does, because your energy shifts from, I hope he sees this, to, I'm good either way. That calm confidence, it's magnetic. Let me leave you with this. You cannot force someone to value you, but you can remove access to your presence. You can raise your standards. You can choose dignity over desperation. Making him miss you is not about tactics. It's about transformation. If he comes back, let it be because he realized your absence felt heavier than his pride. And if he doesn't, you've already become the woman who no longer waits to be chosen. That's the real win. If this spoke to you, share it with another woman who needs the reminder. Like, subscribe, and tell me below, are you choosing dignity or desperation this time? I'll see you in the next one.